Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day it's been today. We're getting ready for Fed Jerome Powell, of course, on Wednesday, when the markets are going to go up like big time if we get a drop below 0.25. In other words, we don't get a rate hike, but of course we will. And they will go down if we get a 0.5%. It's already priced in for a 0.25. That's why the markets are selling off today. A little bit of fear with what Jerome Powell's going to do. Let's get straight into our trades and have a look at where we are right now. Welcome, everybody. This is our live position right now. Down today, but we need to stress how important it is to take a step back. And if we take a step back and we look at the year to date, we can see exactly where we are. We're up 8.4%. And if you look at the chart since this year has started, 3 steps up, 1 step back, 3 steps up, 1 step back. This is all part of the course right now. But this is not a bull market. This is most certainly still a bear market rally. And we're preparing for a lot of uncertainty on Wednesday. Only 2 days to go now. So let's go for all our stocks. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We've got a fantastic audience over there on TikTok today. Let me welcome everybody in on TikTok. How are you all doing? Lovely to see you all. Wednesday. Thank you. Yes, indeed. Wednesday. We'll be there live with it on our show. If you're over there on YouTube now and you're watching me on TikTok and you want to be in our free cash prize draw, we do it every single day. If we hit 100 likes, we give a cash prize away, completely free. There's Bill. Look, Bill is our #1 gifter today. I will follow him back at the end of the show. If it says #1, let's have a little look. Let's bring him on the screen. Let's see who our top gifters are on TikTok today. Crow Finance has just said hello. Level 20. Crow Finance, how are you? You're on level 20 now. Very good indeed. Bill is on level 12. And he's on our #1 gifter today. Crow Finance, thank you ever so much for being a supporter here on my channel. If you actually become a subscriber, you hit the little star there that keeps popping up here at the end of today's show. I will make a commercial for you and also follow you back. I only follow my members and subscribers and top gifters, and I also make you a commercial, put your channel on here and record a video for you, put it on my profile, and invite my 31,000 followers to follow you on TikTok. I have 500,000 people across all my social media platforms, and what you're looking at right now is going out to all those people across all my platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, multiple websites, you name it. All right? If you become my top gifter throughout the day as well, I will follow you back as well. I won't make a commercial for you, but I will follow you back. And it looks like Bill is... Who's #1 right now? Who's #1? Lel75 is #2. #2 on the gifter right now. Anyway, let's go back to our main show here on YouTube. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, it's free to enter, free for all. Jump on to youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile if you want to be in that draw. All right. Let's see who we got. We've got T.O. Roll here on YouTube. Hello, how are you? Bill, Martin, follow the lucid discussion. Is there anything you... following the lucid discussion, is there anything you'd keep if you were up 150% over the course of a year? The only things I would keep of 150%, I've got to say, over the course of a year, that's okay. That's a steady growth. But if something goes up 150% in an hour or two, like lucid, you have to sell it. If I'm up 150% over a year, that's what that can happen. I would keep any of the stocks that make the money to substantiate their value. If a stock has no value, if people are just hyping and promoting it and it pops up, I'm going to sell it. You'd be absolutely crazy not to. It's a 10 years on the S&P 500. Why would you not? But if you've got a stock that has grown massively, that is selling, let's say you're a car company like Tesla, and you're selling millions of cars and your profits are going up, that's a different ball game. But a stock that pops up in a day, like Lucid, of course you've got to sell it. But there's your short-term position and your long-term position. I expect to be up 150% on my S&P 500 in 5 to 10 years' time. Absolutely. Would I sell it? But that depends if I'm looking now to retire and cash my money in. Like what's happening now, all the granddad money is being sold today on J&J. And I bet you any money you like, in the last half an hour of the day, it will start coming back. And I'm going through and I'm seeing some of it come back. Tesla, like I told everybody, was overbought massively at 170, 180. Absolutely ridiculous. And all the fanboys today are losing all their money and they're holding the bags. Of course, Apple today is down 177. Amazon's coming back up. There you go. All the granddad money. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. J&J actually is still selling off. A lot of these companies are regarded as source of funds. And a lot of money's coming out of here, which presents all of us the opportunity to buy more. I had no idea that it was going to go down this low today. If I'd known that and I could read into a crystal ball, I would have held out a bit longer. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm getting cheaper and cheaper stocks all the time. However, I will have some more money tomorrow and I will buy some more J&J tomorrow. Even though I'd be overweighted, it doesn't matter, because what I can do is when it starts going up, I can trim off the top and put into my other stock. I don't have to keep it forever. But if a stock presents itself where it goes down ridiculous, you've got to buy it, right? Hello, Brick Mark. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Look at this. I got a fancy. Can you see this? Look, fancy. I'll show it to the TikTok. Look. Fancy coffee latte, look, with, can you see this? Leah just brought me this in, look. If I zoom in here, look. Can you see that? It's a latte with cream with, like, chocolate bits on the top. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Hey, how about that? There you go. It's a bit cold in here today, so I'm sat on a heated blanket, actually. Proper old man, right? It's freezing in Texas today. Anyway, we got Brick. Hello. We got T.O. Roll. The Fed Watch tool suggests the likelihood for a 0.25% rate raise is still 98.1%. So I guess it's also about the broader outlook. Yeah, we are pricing at a 0.25. If we get anything else other than that, oh my gosh, it's going to be a heck of a day. Anyway. Do you see any EV company eventually being more valuable than Tesla? No. I think Tesla, without doubt, is the king. There's no doubt about it. It's the fanboys and the some of the idiots who buy it. I buy Tesla. Maybe I'm an idiot as well. But some of the attitudes of some people. Do you know what I was saying to Leah? I get hundreds of emails a day, texts a day, spam messages, and they're always about Bitcoin, or aggressive comments are always about Tesla. No one is ever scamming me or trying to send me messages to buy Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google. No one. So top tip, if you are a scammer out there and you're a bad person and you want to fool everybody, start trying to sell them Google. Right, because no one does. It's all Bitcoin, or aggressive people get all passionate and offensive about Tesla. It just shows you that the moment they get silly, like our Kevin did this morning. Remember him coming on talking rubbish? Well, the moment you get people like that, it just tells you it's a stock to be wary of. Because if you've got idiots buying it at any price and thinking everything's always going to go up, stay clear. Stay clear. That's why Warren Buffett won't buy Tesla. That's why Warren Buffett won't buy Bitcoin. It's too many idiots who buy it at any price and then can dump it. He doesn't want to be involved in it. And I don't blame him. I feel exactly the same, even though I do like Tesla. Do you see any other company ever being more valuable? No, I don't. I think it's the best one by a long way. Rob Brennan, thank you. Leah says thank you. Looks good, says Flooded Edits. Cheers, Leah. Brick Mark, we've got a hotel chocolate velvetizer, and it's so good. A velvetizer, listen to that, brilliant. It's just popularity with the more mentally vulnerable younger investors. Crypto, Tesla, etc. are full of naive followers. I know. Wasn't that guy? Do you see how I was right though? Do you see how I kept talking back to him, inviting him in, come on the show, have a conversation. He kept calling me. It went from ignorant, naive, stupid, then it ended up bold, and then he ended up swearing and really being. Did you notice he couldn't win, so he went off a cliff? Did you notice that? It went completely off a cliff then. And that's what happens every single time. It's what happens every single time. You can guarantee it. Thanks, Leah. Sorry, late again. It's a popularity contest. It is indeed. It is. And I think people forget this is not what investing is. Investing is not a popularity contest. The stock doesn't care you own it. Although the way he was making... No, I get it. He was making the point, how could I know it's going down? But 22, I'm gonna add to that, right? How can I know it's gonna go down? That was his point, right? He was going, how can you say you know it's going down? Now, I guess you could say no one knows what something is going to do. Of course you can't. You can't read a crystal. You don't have a crystal ball, even though I do. Thanks, Bill. That's true. No one can read the future. However, you know that a company that doesn't make any money, that only lives on popularity, whether it survives or goes up or down, that's it. You know what the economic climate is. You know that people have got no money. You know inflation is still up. You know all these things. So you know, if you look at it, that it's going to go down before it goes up, because people have had such a long time waiting to make any money. So you've got to stand by your convictions. And you know, even though you can't see into the future, you know how people behave. Whereas Coca-Cola, I don't know if it'll be sold or bought, but I know it makes money, right? I know it makes money. So I know the stock isn't going to be dumped. It might be sold, it might be bought in small amounts, and it'll go up and down. It does every day, right? Look at J&J. Look at J&J going down today. But I know that J&J isn't going to go down to zero, and I know it isn't going to crash. We'll have up days and down days, but we know it's not going to go down because the company makes money on the day-to-day, yeah. But when I'm talking about going down, I don't mean for 5 minutes. I mean properly going down. Anyway, I've seen TikTokers give investing advice. Just put it all in Tesla and Bitcoin, bro. It's gone up 20% a year. I know. We all see it. It's why I invite all my TikTokers to come and join me on YouTube and talk to some real investors. And it's why so few on TikTok do. Because most people don't want the information. They just want to feel part of something. People feel alone. And people want to feel in a club. And if they can have a quick, easy fix, go on TikTok and have a load of people tell them that they can make money for doing absolutely nothing by buying one stock and just holding it with all their mates in a little club, the same mates who will drop it on you in a heartbeat, the same mates who wouldn't be there with you, wouldn't support you for 5 minutes. And that's what we have. We have just gangs of people coming together. It's very tribal, really. I learnt that as well when I went around the world, seeing how tribes hold themselves together. It's a feeling of unity, and they'll jump off a cliff together. It's what human beings do. Nothing is 100% in the market, and that's true. Nothing is 100%, but I still know Bitcoin's going down. I'll say it over and over again. Hi all, says Azzy. How are you? The market can stay irrational longer than you can remain solvent. The market is often totally irrational. True, indeed. But you can't be. I can remain solvent forever. But if I don't borrow money, I can remain solvent forever. It's only if you borrow money and go into margin. Mad Max, is J&J a buy right now? And Mad Max said yes, he bought some earlier. They were also saying Bitcoin to fluctuate possibly up to 28,000 and then back down. Yeah, Mad Max, J&J, is one of the most solid companies of all time. It's the most stable asset you can own. It makes profits. Everything you buy, whether it's from talcum powder to soap to shampoo to medicines to Band-Aids to pretty much everything you can buy in CVS, any of these places, is made by J&J. It has money reserves. It has investments in everything. It's a stable company. It's increased its dividends over like 60 years. It always pays dividends. It's called a granddad stock. It's where people with old money park their money. It can go down sometimes because people will sell off at a certain point just to be bought up by somebody else. That's the great thing. See, if someone dumps something that doesn't make any money, like Virgin Galactic, and I am very pro Virgin Galactic, who's going to buy it? Whereas there are an army of people queuing up to buy J&J. They're just, the moment it goes down, there's people scooping it up, going like me today, going, well, it's a bargain, right? And that's what Warren Buffett's theory is. Find a great company that you want to own, not just trade, and when it goes down in price and it's cheap, buy it. I'm not saying J&J is cheap right now, but it's cheaper than I have ever paid before. I can't go back 20 years, can I? I'm where I am today. I only started trading a year and a half ago. But if J&J is cheaper now than it was a year ago, I'm going to buy some with no fear at all. 22. I often know I'm right, but the market doesn't agree with me. 22, I like that one. I'll give you that one. 105 million shares of Lucid traded today, and it's not moved from 12. A crime has been committed. Bootsies, no crimes, no surprise. Buy the rumour, sell the news. What happened with Lucid yesterday was a perfect example. A perfect example. Someone made up a news report on social media. Maybe it was Kevin from earlier. And up went the stock on a rumour, and it was your responsibility to sell it. Everybody who understands how the stock market worked would have sold that. I mean, anybody who knows about money, and I sold it. Obviously, I sold it. I don't even care if it goes up without me now. I've already made the profit. It doesn't matter. We're back down to 87% up now. I was up 150. 140, whatever it was. So it's going sideways because there's no news to report. What we've got now is no one's buying it because people like me know it's going back down to $6. No one's selling it because they're afraid it might go back up again. So now we're stuck until there's next bit of news. So if someone can repeat the news and get away with it, it might pop up again. But if it starts to move again, I will not buy that. I am waiting with patience for it to go down. And remember, I don't have to own Lucid. Fusion Rollers DYJ. Thank you much indeed for following me over on Twitch. If you and shoes. Look at that. I got all these people over there on. Oh, hang on. What's going on here? Log in. I thought I was logged in. Hello, what's going on here? I've never had so many people follow me all at once. What's going on? If you are now following me over on ICE, hello, I've never had so many followers all in once. What's going on? If you follow me now on Twitch, if you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, hang on a minute, what's going on? I've never had so many followers coming in at once on Twitch. What's going on? If you subscribe to me with your Amazon Prime Gaming, it's free. This coming Friday and every first Friday of the month, I give away the money I make in subscribers. Absolutely free. If you subscribe on Amazon Prime Gaming, and it looks like we've got an army of people following me on Twitch today. Incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Was it like 5 in a row? Anyway, so let me share with you Twitch right now. Here it is. See, I've got 12 subscribers. If you use Amazon Prime Gaming, it's complete. What is going on? Has anyone ever seen anything like it? That's crazy. If you subscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming, let me put it on the screen. Look at this. What's going on? Is this Kevin back doing something weird? Here is my Twitch link. If you use Amazon Prime Gaming, which is completely free, you can subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime Gaming, and on the first Friday of the month, which is tomorrow, which is this Friday coming, the money I make, I will give away. Should we have a little poll? Does anyone think there's something going on Twitch? What is going on? Why am I getting so many followers all of a sudden? Like 6 or 7 in a row. Hey, what's going on there? Should we have a little poll? You could check out the historic. I'll give it a few minutes to see if anyone becomes a subscriber. Otherwise, I have never seen that before. That's like 8 in a row now. If that carries on, I'll have to turn the messages off a minute. Let's see if we get any subscribers. It's a bot attack. Well, yeah, that's a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bot attack. Hi, Martin. Good evening. Hello, Patty. How are you? I'll get rid of them if they get out of line. Thank you, Mike. I've never seen so many people come in. Let's see. No, I've got 4. The viewers are on there. So I would ask my army of fans here, my Lucas aides, open a separate tab. Get into Twitch. Keep YouTube open, of course, but get into Twitch and see what's going on. There's something going on. Is it a bot attack? Is that what's going? Is that what you call it? Let's see if any of them become subscribers. So for just a minute, I'm going to turn the alerts off. There we go. There we go. I've got control over that. I'll turn the alerts off for a minute, and we'll see if we get the robots. Let's see if they become subscribers. Anyway, so there's Lucid going down continually. The followers have gone up, though. It's gone up to 758. The S&P's going further down. Virgin Galactic going sideways. Virgin Orbit going sideways. Rivian going down. Tesla's going down. Oh, please, fanboys. I want the fanboys to call in to say, yeah, maybe you were right. Okay. I missed out on Lucid. Raging. Seen it go up, and when I got logged back in, it was down. Mad Max. Mad Max, come and join me over here on YouTube, and let's talk about it. There's a way to avoid that, by the way. So, I've got buy orders and limit orders placed everywhere. So if anything pops up 100%, it will sell. If anything goes down 20%, I'll buy. You don't have to actually be in and watch it every day. You can set stop trail orders. You can set limit buys, limit sells. You don't actually have to lose out. Anyway, Lucid going back down. Apple going back down. We're getting ready for tomorrow. Amazon. McDonald's is getting cheaper. It's still too expensive, though. It's 34 times earnings. Earnings report in the morning. Coca-Cola is up. J&J was going to bottom out in a minute. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back this afternoon. Right, let me turn on the alerts. We'll turn the alerts back on again, and let's see if we carry on getting more people coming to be followers on Twitch. Very, very strange situation there this afternoon. Anyway, let's have a look, go through. Let's bring everybody up to date. If we get 100 likes on the show, we're going to give away a cash prize. Can you look at McDonald's 5-year chart, Mark, and see how consistent it is? McDonald's reports in the morning. We want to catch it over 5 years. It's just like J&J. Another granddad stock, another solid stock. It's still too high. You want to catch it in the morning. It'll drop. Earnings will be up, but there'll be a moment. So what I do on McDonald's, I'll go, right, I want to buy 5 shares of McDonald's at 270. Sorry, not 270, it's where it is now. 260. Look at a bottom trough like there, 233. Go somewhere in the middle, 245, 250, 260. So as it goes to there, you buy some. See, look, a general thing, not details. You're not going into a real high complicated chart. You're looking at a general trend of things. The way Ali described it this morning, same thing. Set a buy at $240 and go. All right, I want 2 shares or 2, whatever you want. And then tomorrow morning, we'll be here nice and early with the earnings. If it drops, boom, you buy it. Because it's got a solid growth over time. It's also got a very nice earnings, 2.08, very consistent, very reliable, always pays out. You can't go wrong. We'll always eat a McDonald's. We'll always eat a McDonald's, even if you're going to go there and say, I never have one. I don't believe you. We always have a McDonald's. I really like Microsoft and regretted not buying it. Yep, Microsoft. I bought Microsoft as well. Let's have a little look. There's my Microsoft. Going down. It's getting cheaper. Still too expensive, but getting better. 27 times earnings. I want it for 25, 24. Somewhere around that region. Yeah, watch that. Although it's quite inaccurate. There's a book. Think it's called Behind the Arches. Pretty good. Says 22. All right. All right. So let's bring everybody up to date, and let's also look at giving a cash prize away. You ready? All right, let's bring everybody up to date, and here we go with a quick commercial break. Back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube sponsor and you're in this space, you can sponsor our show, reach over 500,000 across all our different platforms. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. There you go. Right, let's do our giveaway, see if we can. If we get 100 likes during the show, we'll give away a cash prize. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. You ready? Let's share with you on the screen where we are. We've got 22 watching. By the end of the show, got half an hour to go. See if we can get 100 likes. 13 likes. Let's see it go up. 13, 14. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow, with the real Satoshi. Stand up, play, stand up, say, please stand up, will the real Satoshi. 15, 16, 16% there now. 100, we give away a cash prize on the show for free. Do it every single day if I get 100 likes. 16, 13 seconds to go. We'll keep it going till the end of the show. I'm over on LSC, says Tom. Hello, Martin. Where is your limit buy order for Tesla? Have we bottomed or no? No, we have not bottomed. Absolutely, we've not bottomed. Here comes some more followers on Twitch. There's something going over there today. I got a bot explosion. Someone just said a bot explosion. Anyway, no idea what that's all about. Anyway, there's Tom over there on CMB Studio. How are you, mate? Good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. There's Tom, look. And he's an artist over there on LSC. Remember, we've got our big launch coming up in a couple of weeks' time. 24-hour show. You can win stuff here. Code me memes. You can. I'll give away cash prizes every single day. I'll never message you. Everybody on TikTok, please be very wary of the people that message you and pretend to be me. There's over 100 scammers of me on TikTok. They're not me. How do you know they're not me? One, they're never live. They do follow for follow. Sorry, I don't have Prime. Sorry about that. If you have Amazon Prime, it's free. You can subscribe to me, but obviously if you do it for free using Amazon Prime, then you'll be in my monthly draw for free. I give away the money I make in subscribers. Every day on my YouTube show, I give away a cash prize, and every Friday, I give away a cash prize. I'm always giving away money. I like to help people. All right. Let me just turn this off a minute. I've got a heated blanket here. Bit cold in the studio. Sorry, my buttons are stuck. Oh, okie dokie. And the S&P External Assassin says my buttons are stuck. There we go. Hey, Ruben Lozano just subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. Right, half an hour to go before the bell goes. My prediction is we'll get a bit of a rally into the close. If you're getting a bad quality on Twitch, lower the resolution. It doesn't like me streaming in 4K. So on Twitch, just lower the resolution if it's twitching. That's why they call it Twitch. It twitches all the time. Rivian still coming down. Tesla still coming down. I took my profit. I sold it. And I just think this is so funny because the fanboys got really aggressive towards me when I sold it, like I'm joining a fan club or something. I don't know. Here, look, here it is. Here's the fan reply. There's the video. See it there? Look, that's when a Tesla fan. It's awful, isn't it, really? Messaged me and said, why have you sold it? How do you feel now? And I said, feel very good, thank you. I've sold it, made money, and I'm buying something else. And he went, well, Tesla's the greatest car in the world. Tesla's going out. I said, well, don't care. I'm just here to make money, right? You can be in a fan club if you want. I'm just here to make money. Anyway, there's my reply to that. I thought that was quite funny. Think you will like the compliment on LSC. Oh, I missed it. Do it again, Tom. Do it again. Do it again. Yes, I know. Do it again, Tom. Go on, do it again. Do it again. I'll show it. I'll show it on the screen. Go on, do it again. Do it again. Make sure that you're live. Click the live button on LSC. Go on, do it again. Hey! Get him up, get him up, get him up. CNV Studio did a load of beer. Look at that. We love it. Where's my chiggy, pow, pow. I want that one. I want that one, Tom. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. If you don't do it in 5 seconds, I'm going to be gone. Early MOC imbalance, 1 billion sell side. Early MOC imbalance, 1 billion on the sell side. There it is. There it is. Boom, chiggy, boom, boom. Very nice, Tom. Thank you very much. Very good. Look at that. We love all that. Tom's enjoying pressing all the buttons, isn't he? Right. We got 2 days to go. Wednesday morning. Everything as predicted is selling off. I bought J&J this morning. Set a new all-time low. And now we're looking for another new all-time low. Tesla. Going all the way back down. I say it can go right down to under $100 again. Nice welcome, Wagon. Welcome, Mike on Twitch. Is a friendly. Mike is a great person. Oh, hello. What's all this? I'm missing all the fun and games. I missed it. Welcome. We love live streamer cafe. I like that. I like all the hearts. Yeah, look at that. Tom's playing silly buggers over there on LSC, look. He's pressing all the buttons, look. So nice when you have cream on your coffee, innit? So nice. Tesla, Lucid. So right now, I'm fully invested again. You're welcome. How you doing? Right then. Who wants to be number 500? Who wants to be number 500 on Discord? We are now at our 499. Who is going to be our 500th person? It's free on Discord. We're about to become a public channel on Discord. You get many perks and benefits. Here is the invitation. If you're not yet on Discord, who is going to be number 500 to turn our channel into a public server? There it is. There's Discord. Let me give you the link there right now. If you're a YouTube member, you get many perks and benefits as well. US halts provision of licenses for export to Hawaii FT. Hi, Ale. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Lovely to see you. And once we get our 100, you can one more. We'll open up the broadcast lounge and you can call into the show. In fact, I've opened up the broadcast lounge already. There you go. I've opened it up. Hi, everyone. Andrew Grady. Stats showing 498. Oh, is it 498? I thought it was 499. You're absolutely right, Tom. It's 498. I beg your pardon. I thought we were at 499. Okay, 2 more to go then. Let's see if we get to 500 during the show. Coca-Cola, J&J. There's our bounce. Remember I said we'd get a bounce into the close? This is what I think is going to happen. But Wednesday, it could all go lower. So have powder dry for Wednesday. Fed Jerome Powell will be covering it live on the show. Here is Fed Jerome Powell on Wednesday. There he is, waiting to wave his hands at me and say, there's no chance he's going to pivot at all. People are starting to think he's going to. I don't believe it, but we'll see. That's tomorrow. On Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday will be wild. Isn't it going to be a great day? It's going to be a great day. Have your powder dry. Have your money on hand. I bought J&J today. Do I regret it? No. Would I have liked to have bought it lower? Well, of course so. Of course so. Here we go. 3 hours ago, the US court. Now, remember I said today it was about being sued? I was right, and I didn't even know this, and I'm just seeing it now for the first time. US court rejects J&J bankruptcy strategy for tens of thousands of talc lawsuits. There you go. US court rejects. Let me open that up. Remember I said it'll be something to do with being sued. It always is. US court rejects bankruptcy strategy for tens of thousands of talc lawsuits. In fact, what we'll do is we'll put a video out. We'll put a video out of this one. Okay. Let me go into J&J. And anyone asks why we aren't crypto buying yet. And everyone asks why we're not crypto buying yet. Exactly. Patience is a virtue. And that's the thing that we don't have in the crypto space. Like I was saying earlier, the only scam emails, scam messages I get are about Bitcoin. No one is trying to sell me Microsoft or Apple. Nobody. People have no patience. They want to get rich in 5 minutes, and they run around like headless chickens, buying anything, telling everybody anything they want to hear. It's so easy to predict. It's why I said this morning that I expect it to go down, because I know it's going to go down, because I do understand people. And, anyway, having toured 195 countries of the world, Piano Man, I must have picked up something, right? Anyway, okay, let's make a video on this one. We've got 20 likes right now, 38 watching. If you smash the like button, if we get to 100 likes, we're going to give away a cash prize on the show. All right. I just got crazy. I found a mouldy mince pie under the sofa. Not sure it was last Christmas. Just give it a wipe and you'll be fine. Says 22. All right. Okay. Let me just check. Has the Discord gone up? 498. 2 more to go, and we are a public channel. Who's going to come on today? Next 2 people who join Discord get... Oh, hello. Next 2 people who join Discord get 50% off Ali's server. There you go. You got every reason to join Discord. It's free to join Discord, and you get a special deal from Ali Tizro. The next 2 people. LSC is mad. What's going on, Tom? What are you doing now? Are you messing around again? LSC has gone mad. Code is in, Martin. The code is in Martin's channel. Okay. The code is in my channel. As in Ali Tizro tips, right? Project Freedom. I got to thinking earlier. You remind me of one of those snake oil salesmen. Project Freedom. You remind me of one of those snake oil salesmen. Is that good or bad? I'm assuming it's bad. I'm assuming it's a bad thing, but I don't care. You label me any way you like. You label me any way you want. So don't think freedom. Yeah, there you go. I don't think it's a good thing, is it? Snake oil. Anybody want any snake oil? Not good thoughts, freedom. Oh dear. Mike doesn't like it. Okay, remember I said J&J would come up in the closing bell, and there we go. It's happening as predicted. Okay. So I bought it this morning, lower than before. When was J&J's earnings? When was J&J's earnings, folks? Can someone remind me? Did I miss J&J earnings? Hang on a minute. When was this happen? Did I do the J&J earnings? Yes, I did, didn't I? Yes, I did. I was thinking, when was that? Yes, I did. Yeah, so I bought this today. What did I buy it for? 164.44. Yeah, a little bit more. It's gone a bit cheaper, but see how it's going up. Look, it wasn't long ago. That's right. That's right. It's going up quickly now, as I said. So let me do a quick video on it. I can put this out at the end of the show. So, oh, by the way, we are 150 hours away from my music channel. We've got 1 day to go. We are 3,850 hours. 150 hours away from 4,000, and I will share with you on the screen when we hit the 4,000. Market profit. He's been gone for ages. Finally, market profits here. We've been up 3 weeks, nearly 4 weeks in a row. And market profit has finally shown up. What's going on? Anyway, lovely to have market profit always here. You've missed so much stuff. I've had so many crazy people. Can someone check if they can see? I can't see. What do you want to see? I'll come back to that in a second then. 41 minutes. Here we go. J&J, 41 minutes. J and J, 41 mins. Okay, here we go. So, let's go over to the production screen. Oh, yes. What is the production screen? We have got a few things here. Check a few things. Ah, I've just realised something. Look at that. There we go. No one told me the camera was on the wrong camera. No one told me that. Why did no one tell me that? Ali Tizro tips have been deleted. Of course they haven't been bloody deleted. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's probably Tom. Tom deleted them. Ali Tizro's tips. No, they're there. Ali, you're what are you on about? No cell service. It's January the 4th. There's Ali Tizro's tips. Look, Ali Tizro's tips, and is that the code there? Is that the code? And damn, it felt good. Hello, today is my mother's birthday. She turned 80. I was wondering, yes, Carlos Sanchez, you are a member of our channel? Of course I can. Of course I can. Carlos Sanchez. We'll do that at the end of the show. Of course we will. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Of course we will. With the greatest of pleasure we will. Absolutely right. With our greatest of pleasure. Not the code. I can't ask. Maybe it's a glitch. We'll check back later. Okay, Ali. Okay. So here we go. Tesla sure had a nice run. Where's that? Since I've been gone, market profit, you've no idea. We faced fanboys and all sorts. Ali, call me via Discord and I will try and fix it. Need to go now. Good luck, everyone, with your trades. Good luck, Ali. Thanks for being here. Wow, Mark, I can't go 24 hours. She loves watching you, especially when you bring out the crystal ball. It's for... I will do your mum's... Is it your mum's birthday? Yes. I will do that at the end of the show in about 10 minutes then, okay? All right, no worries at all. But first of all, I've got to make this J&J video. And let's get it right. Here we go. It is 44 minutes, not 41. Okay, so breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, J&J, one of my favorite assets. Why is it one of my favorite assets? I'm going to show you now and discuss with you today the news of the day. But before I do that, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell to this channel and give me a great big thumbs up. All it does is helps this channel grow and helps to support us so we can get to more people, and we really do appreciate it. Well, J&J today, I've been buying more. It's one of my stable assets. We are in a bear market right now. We've got the Fed coming up on Wednesday. We're expecting a 0.25. If it was a 0.5, the markets are in trouble. But we are in a 0.25 range at the moment, and we are also in a bear market. So defensive stocks is where it's at. Companies that make money, companies that have a long history, that pay a good dividend reliably. You can't go better than the S&P 500 or J&J. For me, I like this one. Now, why is it down today? Before I saw this news, I made an announcement on the show. I bet you it's because they're being sued, or a big whale has decided to sell some J&J and have a spend the rest of his life on the beach. Well, it was the first one, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is my position. I've got it in two different places. I've got it in my general portfolio, and I've got it in my Roth IRA. And today, in my Roth IRA, which is what I'm showing you on the screen, I bought it when it dropped down. It went a little bit lower, but that doesn't matter. Let me show you exactly what the reason for J&J is to go down today. This is the reason. Remember, I said it probably has something to do with being sued. It tends to be. Happens all the time with this company, but not an issue. They've got insurance for this. It doesn't affect the stock long term, just short term, which always presents an opportunity. So the news is US court rejects J&J bankruptcy strategy for tens of thousands of talc lawsuits. So that's bad news, and it just drove the stock down, but it just presents great opportunity, okay? Johnson & Johnson's strategy to use bankruptcy to resolve the multi-billion-dollar litigation over claims its talc products cause cancer was rejected by a federal appeals court on Monday. But the healthcare conglomerate said it would challenge the ruling. And my experience of J&J is they will win this. They're not stupid. This is just the opening salvo for J&J. The decision by the U.S. Third Circuit Court of Appeals in Philadelphia removed from bankruptcy the company's LTL management unit, which was facing more than 38,000 legal claims tied to products such as its Johnson's baby powder. J&J shares were down 3% in midday trading on the New York Stock Exchange. J&J, which reiterated on Monday that its talc products are safe, created and spun off LTL and assigned its talc liabilities to the unit and placed it in bankruptcy in 2021. Okay. Reading on, J&J had argued that bankruptcy provided a way to resolve tens of thousands of legal claims more efficiently and fairly than taking the cases to trial individually. The company pledged a funding backstop to ensure LTL could pay talc claimants. The appeals court said it dismissed the LTL Chapter 11 petition because the unit was created solely to access the bankruptcy system. Applied here, while LTL faces substantial future talc liability, its funding backstop plainly mitigates any financial distress foreseen on its petition date, said the 56-page opinion by the three-judge panel. J&J said it will challenge the Third Circuit's ruling and continue to seek a resolution of the lawsuit in bankruptcy court. As we have said from the beginning of this process, resolving this matter as quickly and as efficiently as possible is in the best interest of claimants and all stakeholders. J&J spokeswoman Alison Fennell said, "We continue to stand behind the safety of Johnson baby powder, which is safe, does not contain asbestos, and does not cause cancer." There we go. J&J used a restructuring strategy known as the Texas two-step that was criticized by lawmakers and academics who argued that the maneuver could provide a blueprint a blueprint for other big companies to avoid juries in mass tort lawsuits. Before the bankruptcy filing, J&J faced costs from $3.5 billion in verdicts and settlements, including one of which 22 women were awarded a judgment of more than $2 billion, according to bankruptcy court records. But more than 1,500 talc lawsuits have been dismissed without J&J having to pay anything. And the majority of cases that have gone to trial have resulted in defense verdicts, mistrials or judgments for the company on appeal, according to LTL's court filings. The appeals court was urged to dismiss the bankruptcy petition by plaintiffs suing over the talc products. They argued one of the world's largest healthcare companies should not be using bankruptcy to protect itself from lawsuits. And the final piece at the bottom was the cancer victims asked the appeals court to overrule a New Jersey bankruptcy judge who had allowed LTL's bankruptcy to continue. LTL's bankruptcy filing automatically stopped lawsuits from proceeding against it, and as U.S. Where is it now? And U.S. bankruptcy judge Michael Kaplan in Trenton, New Jersey, ruled in February that LTL's bankruptcy should also stop talc lawsuits from proceeding against parent company J&J. So there we go. That's the news today. This doesn't pose a concern for me. This is the sort of thing that happens all the time in this particular company. This is the sort of thing that happens all the time. And they have insurance for that, so it affects the stock price when it first breaks on the news. However, it will not bring down Johnson & Johnson. It just presents an opportunity to buy the stock lower. I've got no concern. I've seen many of these in J&J's history when I've read it through, and they overcome it nearly all the time. Not concerned. They have insurance for this. I spoke to a friend of mine who used to be a pharmacist for J&J, and this is normal procedure that happens with J&J. He said they have insurance for it, it covers it, the stock will rally, it just gives you the opportunity to buy it cheaper. That's all it does, and that's all we've got today is a bit of this news which gave me the opportunity to buy cheaper J&J, which is exactly what I did, because I understand the stock and understand how it works. Okay, so there you go. That's what's happened today. What do you think? Leave your thoughts below in the comments and share with me what your thoughts are on J&J. Is it a solid asset? For me, it's part of my Roth IRA. I get a 1% match from Robinhood, and whenever it goes down, anything like this, Coca-Cola, J&J, McDonald's, any of these or stable companies, the S&P 500, I always scoop up the discounts. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's do a quick thumbnail on this one here. We'll have a concerned face, I think, and a bottle of talcum powder will appear on the screen. Just not right now, though. Okay. That'll do. That'll be there later on. Okay. I know it's a strong company and will continue to make money, but not for me, says Ali. That's why I would never invest in that company. That's what insurance is for, though. They have been hiding that dirty secret since the early 90s and continued selling it. It's as unethical as it gets. Well, J&J are standing by and saying it does not cause cancer. They make enough profit to do the right thing, says 22. Hope some got that bank. What was that? BBAI just rocketed up. Stuff like this does bother me from an ethical perspective. If you've done something wrong, just pay out and move on. Fair enough. J&J has probably created more cancer than any other company on earth. Even more than tobacco companies, the talc has killed millions over the last few decades. Well, I used talcum powder when I was a kid, so did my parents, and we didn't get cancer. But anyway, that's another issue. Let's carry on. Still 2 away from 500 on the Discord. Yes, be careful with topics like this, Martin. You never know who's watching. Could have family members who have been affected by it. You're very, very, very right. Of course, of course. Not something to joke about with bottles of tap. No, you're absolutely right. It's not a joking subject. Of course it's not. Totally agree. No one's joking. I'm not joking. I'm just reporting the news. Okay. So we've got 5 minutes to go. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let's see if we can do a cash prize giveaway today. J&J Court won't let them claim bankruptcy. Someone commenting over there gave a lot of women cancer, says my page Mike over there on TikTok. Thank you for your input. That's another issue. What does that mean? What does that mean? Prado1212, what's the best trading platform? I use YouTube. I use Robinhood. If you are in the UK, if you come into YouTube, I'll give you my link for Robinhood, and you'll get some free stocks, some Apple stocks for free, and so will I, and I will share with you what I get live on the screen and guide you through it, only if you are in the US. Anybody in the chat right now that wants some free shares, including up to Apple shares, for free, come into the live chat now. I'll give you a referral, and we both get free stocks, and I'll share with you what I get live on the show. Okay? Yes, I am from the UK. Yes, unfortunately, it's the US. So I can't help you with Robinhood stocks, I'm afraid. Right. Let's bring everybody up to date and we'll do a cash prize giveaway. You ready? Okay, here we go. So, skip the ad. Please send out the link. German Gaming. Okay. German Gaming, let me give it to you right now. I will give it to you. Here is my... I was already in there, wasn't I? Was I already in? Yes, I was. I was already in. So, let me bring it up on the screen. I will give to you. I will give it to you if you want some free stocks, and I'll guide you through it as well. Where did I put it? Where's the invitation? Not there, not there, not there, not there. Where is it? Where is it? Hang on a minute. Why can't I see it? There's an invite here somewhere. Bear with me. I'll get it to you a second. You've asked for it, so I might as well get it. Why can I not see it? I look at it all day, every day, and today I can't think where it is. Ah, rewards. It's right on top of the screen. I can't believe I didn't see that. Okay, so let me share on the screen what you get. Let me show you so you can see exactly what it is. Invite friends and get $5 to $200 worth of stock. You'll each get stock in a leading company. It's completely free. You just set up the account. Sorry, no, don't apologize at all. Don't apologize. I will give you... I don't want to share my contacts on the screen. That wouldn't be very professional of me, would it? So let me just do that. Don't allow that. Share link. Here we go. Share link. Copy the link. Here we go. I'm putting it in the chat for you right now. So if anybody from the US wants this link here, and I will share with you, if you set it up during the show, I will share with you exactly what I get during the show. There it is. I'll post it twice so you can see it clearly. You have to set up Robinhood like I do, and I will share. I'll help you, guide you through it. It uses the Plaid system, so you link it to your bank account like most financial channels, services, and you will get basically between $5 and $200 worth of free stock. I have seen once on my show someone get a Robinhood, a Apple stock live on the show. It has happened. So it does happen. Okay. There you go. Right, let me go to a quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. You could be a sponsor in this space, $99 a month. You could be in this gap here, and we have a reach now of 500,000 people across all of my networks. All right. Mark, what about Tesla? Come into YouTube and ask me, and I will more than happily share with you on the screen my thoughts on Tesla. We had a very heated debate this morning. It was quite entertaining. A guy called Kevin was coming on. And if you are from the UK, you can use Trading 212. There's Ali Tizro's invitation, and one of our moderators, and I'm sure he'll assist you with that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic going down. Overall markets are going down, still going down, preparing for Wednesday, no surprise. Rivian, Tesla, all the way back down again. Closing bell, yes. Thank you very much indeed. I missed it. There it is, right on the button. Closing bell. I didn't count it down though, sorry about that. If anyone wants Weeble or Moo, hit me up. Just kidding, Ed Nevius. LOL. Ding, ding, ding. EV sector is not going anywhere right now. I have 50,000 shares of Tilray, 100,000 shares of VFF. Please show a chart of VFF. It's a buy now after the dip. VFF. Let's have a look at it. If you are a member, I can review a stock for you live on the show. Mohammed Kahine made $100,000 on the show a couple of days ago. Very, very proud of him. Very good indeed. And, yeah, he did. VFF. Village Farms. Oh, yeah, we talked about this one, didn't we? Yeah, not one for me. It's a penny stock. What's happening Wednesday, Martin? What's happening Wednesday? Fed Jerome Powell, chair of the Fed in the United States, is giving his decision on the rate hike. The markets are priced in a 0.25. Why everything's selling off now is we're preparing for Wednesday, one more trading day before it happens. And people have made money, want to sell off now, protect their money. And if we get a 0.5, yeah, Ali Tizro. He shouldn't he, become a investor level member? Then he gets very, very, very exclusive one-on-one videos. Only he sees them. Yes, it's a very, very exclusive service. Very exclusive service. Anyway, Village Farms. This is not for me. This one, we looked at this before. I am sharing it though, but engages in operation of agriculture greenhouse facilities in the US and Canada. Operates through the following segments: produces business, energy business, and cannabis. For me, I prefer. I'm in Tilray. I don't want to be exposed anymore to this sector. I'm perfectly fine with Tilray. That does it for me. So I wouldn't touch it. I don't like it's a penny stock. It's not really one for me. I bet tomorrow's going to be a flat day. Tomorrow will be muted. We'll see the decline of Tesla, I'm sure. And I'm sure that I'm going to be able to pick it up. I should have some more money in my account tomorrow morning. So I'm looking to buy some more tomorrow. I had $500 this morning. I bought. You saw me do that. You saw me buy this morning. Bought 3 shares of J&J. If I go to my Roth IRA, you can see my Roth. I got $41 left to spend. The S&P is still too expensive. It can go a lot lower, and that's in the coming days. Would like to pick some up. Certainly want to buy some more VU. The only reason why I bought J&J is because it is down so much recently because of that court case. I'm not overly concerned. This has happened time and time again with this company, and it's flat in the after hours as well. Tilray, a penny stock too. Yes, anything under $5 is a penny stock. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Anything under $5 is a penny stock. Andrew Grady, you are spot on. Absolutely right. Robinhood, SoFi, down now in the after hours. They're basing their growth on rate drops. That is the Fed reversing. That's not going to happen at all. If we get a dip, a big dip tomorrow, Wednesday, we will buy a crypto. Hey, the time is coming. The time is coming for the Ali Tizro challenge. 1,000 to 10,000 challenge. I'm excited about it. Because I've got $1,000 here doing nothing, and it could be earning me money, Ali Tizro. Oh, it could be earning me 4% in my portfolio. What's going on? This is it. This is it, guys. It's all about timing. This is my money. Ready to rock and roll, $1,000 in my crypto, 1,000 to 10,000 challenge with Ali Tizro. We're excited about it. Let me just close those. Sign up for a Coinbase business card. There we go. So who was it who wanted the Robinhood link? Are you going off doing that now? I'd love to hear from you. Yes, it was. German Gaming. Are you doing it? How are you getting on with it? I can't wait, because live on the show, it'll come up and say, you have won some Robinhood shares, and I'll share with you what I've got, and you will see what I get. And yes, but I'm in the you're in the UK. Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Then it's no good to you. It's only in the US. All right. Okay. Over there on Twitch, lots of new followers today. Not sure if it was a bot invasion, but there was something going on. I'm doing the bet on everything Mohammed does. Challenge, it's a winner. There we go. I'm doing the bet on everything Mohammed does. That's the worst way to invest. I don't care who you're following. But anyway. We can show live on show that's what we get, German Gaming. XRP still waiting on SEC to make their mind up. eToro, no good. Yeah, I've got eToro. I don't like it. I'm only recommending what I like. I'm not going to just recommend stuff for the sake of it. I could recommend and give everybody links for everything, but, whatever. Thank you, George. I'm glad I sold on Lucid and ran with 100K. Absolutely. I was telling you all day long. I was actually screaming. Well, no, I wasn't. But I was on the show going, where's Mohammed Kahine? I hope he's watching this. I was selling mine, going, I hope he's watching. Love Truro bus station. I buy what you buy, Martin. That's the way to go. Yeah, follow me. Everyone follow me. All right. Okay, it's time to go. Day trader of the day. J&J. Up now in the after hours. A little bit, 0.02. Google's up a little bit. Microsoft up. Oh, it was up a little bit. What oil stock do you own, Martin? Chevron. I'm not that excited about it, to be honest. I bought oil. He owns baby oil. Yeah. No, I bought I bought Chevron, and I don't know why. I tell you what. I know why I bought it. I know exactly why I bought it. I bought it because I saw a very interesting piece about the dividends and the 60-year payout. Meta, where is it? Hang on a minute, where is it? Am I looking in the wrong one? Hang on a minute. Why isn't Chevron showing up in my assets? Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NEE, VTI, Hood, Rocket Lab, SoFi. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So look. Yeah. Ever since I bought it, it's gone down. But that's fine. That's how it goes. I bought it for the dividends. Nothing else. I don't like how oil trades. It's up. It's like buying gold or silver. It's up. It's down. It's up. I don't like that sort of stuff. I like to buy a company that I can know is going to keep growing, not as long as I catch it on a good day. Anyway, let's read some of these comments coming in. CVX, that's it. Buy Tesla. No, I'm not going to buy Tesla. I'm going to buy Tesla when it comes back down. Tesla keeps falling. Down nearly 7% today. It's so funny because when I wake up in the morning, I literally wake up to tens of comments from fanboys telling me I'm an idiot. Telling me that Tesla's going to keep going up and up and up and up and up. Like no, it's like no tomorrow. Tesla and Bitcoin, apparently, in case anyone didn't realize, is going to keep going up and up and up forever. And it doesn't matter what it's worth. It's just going to keep going up because people on their computers keep buying it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, good luck to you. You like 45%, up like 45% last week. It'll keep going. What's Tilray doing after hours? Tilray? Who's asking that question? Andrew Grady. What's Tilray doing? Tilray is flat on the after hours. So don't forget, on Wednesday, we have Jerome Powell. Tomorrow morning, we're here early. You want to buy some cheap McDonald's tomorrow? If it goes down, we're here nice and early tomorrow, 45 minutes earlier than normal. It's in your time zone. In the upcoming live streams, it's all there for you. Tomorrow morning, we're doing the McDonald's earnings. I will be there. 22, Whirlpool, Q4, 22 earnings, revenue, 4.92, estimate 5.11. Adjusted EPS, 389, estimated 325. Sees 2023 net sales down 1% to down 2%. Do you eat McDonald's? From time to time, I'll have a McDonald's. Yes. Indeed, I will. From time to time. Okay, the overall portfolio is down today. Let's do day trader of the day. Am I concerned? No. Am I buying cheaper stocks? Yes. Big Mac sale. You heard it first here, eh? Hey, Stephen Lewandowski. There you go. Look, here we go. Here's the McDonald's now. It's up 0.08 after hours. Tomorrow morning, of course, we're going to see what happens. Can't do nothing about it now. It's in the morning. But you can trade pre-market. I'll be buying at 6:30. I'll be buying at 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll go supersize in the morning, says George Semaine. Yes, Arnold the Palmer at McDonald's is overvalued. You're absolutely right. Way more than Tesla is overvalued. It's true. It's true. 240, if you look at the PEG ratio, 240 B real estate business. Arnold the Palmer says that one. All right, okay. We're going to wrap up the show. Let's see if we can do day trader of the day. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button as well. We've got 34 watching, 24 likes. Let me just bring us up to date there. News. Let me just bring us up to date there. News. There. News. There. News. There. News. What's going on here? 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 News. Okay, fixed it. Okay, that was a bit weird for a minute. Anyway, it's fixed. Evening Echo. Yeah, I've fixed it. You're on loop. Yeah, I fixed it. Twitch attack. Is it doing it again? I had it a minute ago. Yeah. The Queen of Celebrating. You're behind the stream. You're watching what happened half an hour ago. Queen of Self Braiding's watching what happened half an hour ago. Anyway. All right, it's time to wrap up the show. We'll do day trader of the day, and I think we're good. You're talking about what happened half an hour ago, but you're up to date, right? Okay. All right. That's it from me then. Let's do day trader of the day. So you ready? Go over to your main portfolio. Let's have a little look. Where are you today? I'm down 1.7. Was just responding to the echo. Oh, I see. Okay. Another Twitch attack. Down 1.75% today. You ready? Down 1.75%. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. You ready? Let's do it. Up 1.73. Woohoo. George Semaine using 212 so nobody knows. Brilliant. Down 2% says Stephen Lewandowski hasn't got an idea whether he's making money, losing money. He just keeps drinking Karev. Life seems great for him. I think it's the way to go. Earnings on CSX was up much more than the year 2021. In 2022, which CEO doesn't see a recession, he said on CNBC last week, I thought, but they don't ship tech, says Michael Anthony. Down 7.2, ouch. Down 1.3, up 2.43, and down 3.6. Looks like Crag could be our winner. Yeah. It looks like Crag. Excellent score. Crag, you are our winner today. So we're going to go, thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There we go. Excellent stuff, Crag. Absolutely awesome. We love it. NSDQ is killing me, says German Gaming. Excellent. Now, it's everybody now who became a member. Have you all got your upgrades onto Discord? So I want to make sure everybody is upgraded. Okay, so I think everybody is. Now I'll be back in the morning with an early show. We've got You Are Upgraded German Gaming, great. I'll be back this morning in the morning with an early show. Of course, we've got McDonald's, and we'll be watching that overnight. See if we can get it. Remember, I can start seeing things move from 2 a.m. I can start buying them from 6 a.m. Central Time, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. So I'll be looking at that. Tesla's still going down, nearly 7% now. I think tech will keep a sell-off Friday if Powell speaks on Friday. I think tech will keep a sell-off until Friday if Powell speaks on Friday. Michael Anthony, Jerome Powell, is on the show here with me on Wednesday. We are doing it. There it is. FOMC report is on Wednesday. There it is. All right. We'll be right there. So join us for that. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed the show. I look forward to seeing you all back in the morning. Let me see. Let me go and close the broadcast lounge down. There we go. No one calling in right now. And one shout out if you are a gamer and you have... oh, yes! Absolutely, I forgot. A birthday. How can we forget? Where's the person that asked for it? Where's the birthday? Where's the birthday guy who asked for his mum? He needs to come back. He was right at the beginning of the show. His name was... He's not... I don't know if he's been here... If he's here now. Is he here? The song... Birthday song for Mum. Is he here? So... it was... I can see his name, but I can't think of it. I would type it in if I could. 80-year-old mum. Yes, I know. What was his name? I'm scrolling up to see if he's still here. My Page Mike Coldwell. How are you doing, My Page Mike Coldwell? I don't see it was. I'm looking all the way back. I don't see. Mike Page Colwell is here. Good afternoon to you. How are you? I don't see him here. We can't do it if he's not here. He's one of our members as well. He's one of our members, but we can do it tomorrow. We don't have to miss out. I don't think he's here. Yeah, it was Carlos. That was it. Carlos Sanchez. Thank you very much. Let me see if he's here. Yes, he's here. So, are you here for the birthday? Okay, there we go. He's got to come back, though. There's no point in me doing it to nobody. Carlos Sanchez. There we go. I've just messaged Carlos Sanchez. And let's see if he comes back. Carlos Sanchez. Let's hope he gets the message. Bill, you're not invisible. No one's invisible. No one's invisible. Thank you, trading all day, getting killed, but should do later with calls. Mike Page at Colwell, how are you? We got a guest here. Yeah, I see you, Bill. We see you all the time, Bill. Yeah, terrible service. Terrible service. I asked Sunday. So whose birthday was it, Bill? How can you ask Sunday? There's no show on Sunday, Bill. We're only here Monday to Friday. We're not here on Sunday. You can't ask me Sunday. So Carlos Sanchez, I'm afraid he's not here. So hopefully he'll come back tomorrow and we'll do it for him. But was Bill's wife on Sunday? Okay. Oh, there he is. I'm watching. There's Carlos. Right, what's your mum's name? I asked for birthday so from January. Well, it is January now. Bill, I don't... Well, you can't ask all month. I don't understand what you mean. Carlos Sanchez. Hey, what's your mum's name? Bill, you got to do it here in the chat. My mum, her name is Adela. Adela. Okay, Adela. All right, Adela. Are you ready, Adela? Right, here we go. I'll have a song for last August. It was yesterday. Right, Bill, what's your wife's name? Adela. So, okay, we're now going to do it then. Let me pump out the smoke. Here we go. Right, everybody on TikTok, I've got to end the show right now. We're doing a happy birthday here in the studio. There we go. It's something that we do for members who message me on YouTube, Bill. I message you on the 29th. Do you know how many thousands of messages I get every day? Thousands. You got to tell me here, right? Okay, so here we go. See you back tomorrow morning on TikTok. Come and join me on YouTube if you want to be part of the birthday. Bye-bye for now. Okay, I've just ended that. So, it's Adela. She's watching as well. Wonderful. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to do Adela and we're going to do Charlene, because we're nice like that for Bill. All right, we're nice like that. You ready? So here we go. This is for our members. It's my wife's boyfriend's birthday in August. Can I have one? My wife's boyfriend's. Good luck with that. I love it. I do love it. Okay, here we go. So let's get ready. So on the chat right now, because you get to keep that, Carlos, you get to keep the video, remember? This will be yours forever. You get to keep the video. Okay? You get to keep this video forever. I'm going over now to the piano. I'm not getting through to you. I forgot it and told you the story. Sorry, Bill. I've got no idea. I can only apologise. I get thousands of messages. I try my best to answer everyone. What can I say? And Charlene. Yes. We got Charlene and Adela. We'll do them separately, okay? You read the message on Sunday. Bill, I got about 1,000 messages on Sunday. All right, I'm trying my best to read everyone's messages. I'm asking you, Bill, to explain here in the chat, and I'll do it for you. Oh, yeah, and Kevin. Right, you ready? Right, copy and paste. Jerome Powell speaks on Wednesday, live on this show. Right, Adela, are you ready? Happy birthday, Adela. Do this for Adela first of all. For Carlos. She's 80 years old. She's watching the show right now. You ready? Here we go. You ready? Here we go. Okay. Here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get rid of all this stuff here because I'm under attack from Twitch. So I don't want Twitch to ruin Adela's birthday, right? We don't want all the bots to ruin Adela's birthday. So everyone, happy birthday, Adela. Copy and paste, happy birthday, Adela. You ready? We want to see it going through all the chat right now. What happened there? What's happened there? Hang on. Where's my camera gone? Hang on, bear with me a sec. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. Especially for Adela, this is especially for you on your 80th birthday. I hope you can hear me and see what's going on. Thank you ever so much indeed. This is from Carlos Sanchez, who says, "Would I please you? Happy birthday to you." So, with the greatest of pleasure, I will do that for you. So, it's your birthday today. So, are you ready? We're about to do happy birthday to you, and here we go. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Adela, who is 80 today. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Adela. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Adela, who's 80 today. Happy birthday to you. Now it's Charlene now. This is happy birthday. This is Bill. This is Bill's wife. How about this one right now? So we're now going to do happy birthday to Charlene, which is Bill's wife. Is Bill still here? I need Bill to say, yes, I'm still here. Is Bill still here? Come on, Bill, into the chat. Where are you? Bill was very upset that I didn't answer his text message. So I want to make sure that Bill hears it right now. Charlene, yes, he's here. Happy birthday to you. Nah, happy birthday, yeah, to you. Happy birthday, Charlene, Bill's wife. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more time. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Charlene, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. All right, there we go. Fantastic. Happy birthday, Charlene. I enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun doing that. That was good. Brilliant stuff. Happy birthday, Charlene. Happy birthday, dear Kevin. He's not even here. He's not even here. That miserable bugger this morning coming in and then started shouting and swearing. That'd be stupid, wouldn't it? Anyway, lovely to have everybody here having a wonderful time, and many, many more. And many more. Happy Easter, says Andrew Grady. Happy Easter, happy summer, happy Christmas. Absolutely right. Esteban Sky, wonderful. Thank you very much indeed. So there we go. Now, thank you, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Sorry I didn't reply to your texts. I do apologise. That's dope. And don't forget to check out my music channel. Last week I recorded, you saw me singing with Sir Paul McCartney. We had the, what else? I was singing with the Ukraine Army and all sorts. My page, Mike Caldwell, great. Very well done. Gonna love this channel. If you are a member, you can. I can do a 20-minute fundraiser for you. And you want a link to my music channel, do you? All right, I can give you that. I can give you my music channel. It's right below the right below this video, and it's on the homepage of the channel. But I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. You ready? Here it comes. I'm going to give it to you right now in the chat. You ready? Let me get it up now. Okay, here it goes. I'm coming back now. 150 hours to go. Yes, 150 hours to go. If you go to my music channel, absolutely right. To save my channel from being demonetized. I appreciate it. All right, here is my music channel. And there we go. In the chat coming up now. You've got the videos of when I did Sir Paul McCartney and many, many more. Do Big River, mate. Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do a poll. We'll do a poll. Does anybody want me to do a 20-minute music concert on my music channel? Anybody want me to do that? Let me go over to the main studio and see if anybody wants me to do that. If anybody wants me to do that, I will do a 20-minute music concert, including Big River. All right, including Big River. Okay. 1. Okay. Back over here again in the hot seat. All right. All right. Anybody fancy a music concert? Let me do a poll. Start a poll. Who wants a live 20-minute concert? All right. If we get overwhelming majority, I'll do it. Who wants a live 20-minute concert right now on my music channel? We need a overwhelming majority, and we'll do it. Let me ask the poll. There you go. It's in the chat right now. Let's see what we get. That'll be fun. So let me go and see how many people are watching right now. We've got 35 watching. So I don't know, 25 at least. 25 at least. We've got 90% vote. Wow, everyone's 10 votes. Bloody hell. That's 9 out of 10. That's good. I said to get overwhelming majority. Bugger a poll. Big River Dire Straits. I'm just buying the show. Andrew Grady says, I'm a member. It's a command performance. It's a command performance. It's a command performance, and I want it, and I'm getting it. Bugger it. I'm wanting it. Okay then. Keep voting though, and I'll see what the score is. So let me set something up. Let me set something up then on the. Thank you, Martin. Carlos Sanchez. You do know if you go below the video and click the little pair of scissors. Do you know what I mean by that, Carlos? For your mum. Look, just below the video, there's a clip. Go to the part I did it, clip it, and you can keep it, and you will own copyright of that video. Share it on your social media, and you can play it back to all your friends. Do Lady in Red. Yeah, I can do Lady in Red. I can do all of that. All right, so that's how you can save it. Right. We've got 93%. Wow. We've got an overwhelming majority now of people who want an after-hours concert. So here we go. January the 30th at 3:45. Next. Okay, here we go. We're scheduling a show right now. That channel, it needs to be on Martyn Lucas, Facebook, Martyn Lucas. We've got a request from Bill. Bill wants a song as well. Martyn Lucas Investor. Right, here we go. We're creating the event. We're creating the event for you. Okay. You're very, very kind to me. So we're going to do it right now. Awesome. Let me put this in. I'm setting it up for you. So stay with me and I'll give you the link where to go. I haven't done a live show for ages. Shall I go and grab a beer? I want a beer. I want a beer. Now I can sing without coughing. I want a beer, right? Okay. So let's do, we've got SoFi earnings just going out there. So SoFi earnings edit. That's going up there now. Save. And it's scheduled to go set as a premiere. I'll do it at 4:15. January the 30th. So my SoFi earnings go live at 4:15, just after the music, okay? So it's 4:45, 4:15. There we go. 4:15. Done. And there you go. Set up Premiere. Redirect to the morning's McDonald's earnings. There we go. And that goes live in a minute. Thank you for... Oh, look at that. My wife's brought me a beer. Who has the best wife in the world? Oh, yeah. Try and knock it. Try and beat it. You can't. Leah just bought me a pint of beer. I'm sat in my studio all day in the man cave. And then my wife brings me a beer. Who's got a wife as good as that? All right. So there we go. Okay. So what we're going to do, I'm going to share with you now. So take a note of this. Straight after the concert, SoFi earnings. Here we go. Here's SoFi earnings. If you want to watch this, this comes after the concert tonight. The concert starts in 5 minutes. There is SoFi earnings. All right. That premieres in 35 minutes, right after the music concert. Okie dokie. And now we're going to switch over to the music channel. Switch account. Oh, hang on. I need to stay where I am there. And end the live stream. So the live stream will take you directly to... the concert in a minute. So I'm doing that now for you. There, change to the music. Not that one, that's December 31st. Bit of a way off, isn't it? January 30th, there we go, it's 5 minutes. Save, this video will go directly there. Ray Charles, yep, I can do Georgia by Ray Charles. Yep, I can do that. SoFi report this morning. Yes, this is the video for it. This is the video that I've made so you can watch it without interruptions, okay? That premieres in 25 minutes, okay? So here we go. Now I'm going to the music channel and I'm about to end the show and give you the link. Here it is. Okay. I'm going to give you the link right now. Clever, isn't it? How you can do all this on the fly. It's amazing. Set it all up, keep it all running, keep everything going. Recorded, yes, it's recorded SoFi. So I've edited it and tidied it all up for you. So you can enjoy, and it will go straight after this event now. Martyn Lucas Investor, there we go. And we'll call, this is the live videos. Martyn Lucas Live, there we go. Save. Copy. Okay, so here we go. This is live concert. Live concert. You can stay where you are. It will go automatically there. But if it doesn't work, you have the live concert link as well. There you go. That's where I'm going to be in 2 minutes from now. You might already want to go there if you want to, or stay where you are because we've got the end credits to do and we'll go right there. Okay. Oh my gosh, I wish you'd just seen that. We were at 6,176. In like 1 second, we went 6,184. Unbelievable. That was incredible. Never seen it like it. Anyway. Okay. I think we're done now. We've done everything. Right. Okay, that's it. Let's get it rolling. I'm done. Let's roll the credits. You will go straight to the music concert. You can already go there. I'll be in there in a couple of minutes. We've got a few requests already in. Thank you ever so much for being here. Let's roll the credits. Let's do it now. And let's get into it. I'm looking forward to this. I got my beer's already here. Look, Liz brought the beer in. Roll the credits, rocking and rolling. Thank you much indeed. Let's see who took part in today's show. Thanks for your support. Super chats. Andrew Grady and Bill, they've got songs lined up for the live music concert in a couple of minutes. Awesome. Look at all the followers over on Twitch today. Is this real? What is going on? Look at that. I can't even read them out. I can't even read them out. I've never seen anything like it. I don't know if it was bots. I don't know if it's real. Does everyone think it's real? I mean, look at that for credits. I feel like I've made, like I've made Lord of the Rings and I got credits roll for 20 minutes. Look at that, folks. Is that real? Is that real? Maybe it's real. I don't know. Is that real? Have I just got thousands of members today? Is it bots? I've never seen it do that. I don't know how it can do that. I don't know how it can create loads of... I don't know how that's possible, to be quite honest with you. I don't know how that's possible, if I'm honest. Anyway. Subscribers, Ruben Loanzo, and my page, Mike Coldwell, Louis Luju. Some names seem similarly generated. Yeah, maybe. I've never seen it like it. All right, so there we go. Right, see you back on the music channel. You've got the link. Here is the SoFi earnings that will come right after the concert. There it is in the chat. And the music channel will go directly there. And this is the live concert that's coming up in 2 minutes. I'll see you back in 10 seconds. Well, about a minute or two, all right? See you there in a minute. And look forward to it. See you back in the morning. See you back for the early start with the McDonald's earnings. What a day. And then Wednesday, of course, Jerome Powell. We've got one hell of a week lined up for you guys. Can you believe it? Better than Netflix, isn't it? Take care of yourselves. See you back in 2 minutes and each other. Where's Kevin?